character cartoon. Just check it out. Okay. The next
Sir,
is
I think this is from Wreck-It Ralph.
next tips you are making here inside the here. Just do like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this.
Sir, is this an alien?
That is the Pokemon. Sir, is this the ugly duckling?
No. Okay, I hope that now everyone understand what character it is. If I draw like this. Now tell what cartoon it is.
Is this one Pokemon?
Pikachu. Yes. Pikachu. It's a Pikachu.
Sir, Pikachu. This is Pokemon.
Yes. This is Pikachu.
Pikachu is
Oh, sir, it is Pikachu.
Yes, it's a Pikachu, the Pokemon. And I make one more thing. I just create one.
Sir, I have watched Pikachu the Detective.
Wow. Make you one
That is
circle
now-
over here.
that-
Make
sir,
one
that is
circle
now-
over here. And join
So
this. Join
so
this.
that is now on Netflix.
Yeah. Just join this. Like this.
Sir? Sir,
Yes.
could you wait for a minute?
Yeah. Wait for a minute.
I'm still doing the face.
Yeah. Take that. Aram.
Sir, can we go to the next step?
Sir, I'm done.
Okay. Now let's take the erasing this line and do like this. 1, 2. Like this. And 1, 2. Like this. Take your time. Make the leg like that. And make one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this. Done.
No, sir.
Take that.
Come on. Come on.
Take your time. Now you can take your if you have any marker pen, or you can dark color border with your color dip pencil. Okay, you can buy the marker, whiteboard marker. So I just
Do we color the drawings with oil pencil, color pencils?
yeah.
And sir, do we have to erase that line in the
Yeah, I erase all line, right? I erase all construction line, the straight line inside the face. No, this is I can erase. First I do border, and then I did erasing this all line, so it looks good. Okay. Yes. Me. You can, all of you can buy this type of color, the pastel color. Okay? It is good for coloring. Now we can put the full of color is yellow. Make sure how to draw, how to put. I see this straight line, straight like this. Do like this very nicely.
that color?
Which yellow is that?
That is a chrome yellow or deep yellow.
Sir, can I use lemon yellow?
Not lemon yellow. If you have, yeah, I can use lemon yellow too.
Sir, can I use this yellow?
Yeah, you can use this yellow. आराम से. Very cute.
Sir, which yellow are you using?
Sorry, beta.
Which yellow are you using?
This is actually called a chrome yellow or deep yellow. You can use any yellow. If you have lemon yellow also is fine. First tone I put the.
Sir, can we use lemon yellow?
Yes, this is the shadow. Put the shadow also. This is the shadow. Okay. First make the full yellow, the first tone, and then you use the shadow. When you use the shadow, that means the sunlight coming from this side. This is sun. Sunlight coming from this side, so that's why this side shadow. Okay. Opposite side shadow.
On top of Pikachu's ears, it's normally actually black.
Okay. So we are doing this. Come on. So we are going to.
Sir, is this my drawing is okay?
Yes. We are going to the second tone because the sunlight coming from this side. So you can go ahead the dark tone. The sunlight coming from this side, so you can put over here. This side is a dark shadow. Okay, the light and shadow is very important of the drawing. Okay, light comes from here, whatever it is, sunlight or it is a bulb or something. So this part is the light, this part is the dark. So how to?
Sir, what is this color are you using?
It's an orange, beta. This is the orange.
Sir, which orange? I have only got dark orange and orange.
You can use the orange only, not dark orange. Okay. We are putting the second tone also. This is the first tone of shadow. Second tone of shadow, I am using the brown. Okay. So now you can go ahead to put the brown. This is a deep brown for the dark shadow. So light, shadow, dark shadow. For dark shadow, we are doing, okay.
Sir, is this okay? Sir, is this okay?
Yes, 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 yes. First finish it up. I see all of your drawing. So this is a dark shadow, okay? Light shadow and dark shadow. So you can put the dark shadow like this. See here, the bronze sign. I put the bronze sign. First finish this much, okay? You can create the scenery with this drawing also. Just I create over here the Pikachu in a jungle. So I make some leaf over here, 4 or 5 leaves. I create one tree over here. So it looks like a scenery. So we can add the scenery over here. So create like this.
Sir, just drawing the Pikachu only, or we are drawing the Ash also?
No Ash, beta, only Pikachu.
Okay, sir.
So I can create over here.
Sir, can I draw a scenery?
Yes, beta, I can add the scenery over here. So it's,
Add rocks.
yeah, it's, if you add scenery, it looks more nice, right? Isn't it? So make some flower, just add something like that. Okay, the grasses in foreground. This is called a foreground, this is a midground, and this is a background. For foreground, I'm using some leaves and the flower. And for the midground, I just make the small tree and the land, some stone, small stone like that. Okay. And tree also, small tree like this. And the background, we can make the clouds, like cloud, sun, because sunlight is